How to disconnect the wire terminals properly. Let me show you how to remove the connectors from the terminals in any electrical part in your dryer. The terminals use this hole to keep the connectors in place, and the connectors use this tab to hold the connectors in place. To remove the connectors from the terminals, you could use a nail like this. Insert the tip of the nail in the hole of the terminal and push it in like you're trying to push the nail through the hole, and pull the wire with the connector out. I am holding the nail with a needle nose pliers to be able to film. You just use the nail to push the tab out. Make sure you push the tab back in to get a good connection. Connect the wire and make sure you got a good connection. You could also use a flat screwdriver like this to remove the wires.